Good day. My name is Oliver Shirunda and I welcome you to the project presentation of microprocessor and microcontrollers course. Well, as the course entitles, it has microcontroller in its name, and the aim of this project was to familiarize ourselves with microcontrollers. And in this case, the Arduino was used to design traffic lights for a T-junction. Well, this is a representation of the T-junctions of which the traffic lights were designed for. We all know how things work at a T-junction, right? We have these cars that go like this and like that. These ones, they go straight or they turn to this direction. That is why now on our lights, on the lights that we designed, there is a fourth LED here that is to give chance to the cars that are turning in this direction to go before the ones from this side can start going and maybe block them from turning and cause traffic congestion. So, as stated, this is the fourth LED, which is for the purpose of the cars that are turning in this direction. We have some few seconds of driving before this one start and all that. So the first thing that was done was to simulate the whole circuitry in Proteus. After that, the code was then programmed and uploaded to the Arduino. We're gonna move to the code in a moment. And then the results were simulated to see how it's working. And as we can see right now, these cars that are turning can now start to turn, while the cars that are going straight can wait for their green signal before they proceed. And these ones are stopping. I mean, I hope we all know how things work at the T-junction. I'm just gonna continue playing the simulation so we can look at the results. As you can see, so that is the green light for the cars that are going straight to also start driving, while these ones keep on being still. That is a yellow light for them to now know that it's time to stop. That is the yellow light for these people to prepare for takeoff. And there is the green light for them to also now go, while these ones stand and wait for the others. So the circle goes round and round. The process repeats itself, right? This was the program that was programmed in the Arduino IDE and then uploaded to that Arduino which we saw in Proteus, and it was also the same code that was uploaded to the physical Arduino which was used to build the circuit on the breadboard. Well, the code is very not long, but explaining it will take time, but it's a simple code to follow as this is for some basic projects as mentioned earlier. Well, that is basically the code, and as you can see, we started off by declaring the variables like the each of the lights, each of the 10 lights, and also here small variables and what should happen to each of the lights and each of the processes. And then here we are initializing all of them to be outputs, to be into the output mode. And then here we have our code where our repeated code now in the loop which keep on repeating and repeating itself, and our delays which shows how many seconds each of the code is being executed. We are now going to move to see how the whole thing was built on the breadboard. Well, the results are similar. Yes.